How can a well-organized construction plan save time and money? Do you want to save time and money on your building project? Then start planning. Hi, I'm Sam, and I'm here to share some insights with you. Firstly, the building and construction industry has been an economic pillar in Australia, and planning has been essential to its success. You could also argue that lack of planning has been central to the failures too. As a rule of thumb, the planning function falls on the builder or the construction manager. The function involves planning, organizing, directing, controlling, and coordinating building or construction projects. Planning activities include project feasibility, identifying the project's requirements from the client, coordinating labor resources, procurement and delivery of materials, plant, and equipment, consulting with industry professionals such as architects, engineers, quantity surveyors, and trade workers, negotiating with building owners, property developers, and subcontractors, preparing tenders and contract bids, planning the work including the quality, schedule, and budget, and implementing and coordinating the work also. A good plan can make a project succeed, and importantly, it will save you time and money. But how is this possible? With a good plan, you can identify the best sources for cost-effective materials and start saving immediately, tender for subcontractors in good time to get the best at competitive rates, consult industry professionals early to ensure any risks are identified and managed, review the project schedule to identify time gaps and where you can achieve tasks efficiently, reduce rework and variations arising from poor quality work. Importantly, a plan helps speed up the construction process. Implementing ought to be easy with a good plan. Changing plans while implementation is never a good idea, and it probably means that the plan was not solid from the start. Plan better and start saving time and money on your projects.